Hi, this is Chris from quiltfabric.com. Today I want to show you an easier way to make half square triangles. It drives me crazy that all the new patterns are telling you the method where you draw a line on the center back and sew on either side and then cut it. That's a fine method, but if you need to make a lot of them, that's going to take you forever. And we here have a saying at quiltfabric.com that so many quilts, so little time. So let me show you one way to crank these out faster. I'm going to take a seat here. There is a wonderful thing by Brenda Hennings called Triangulations, and it has a CD in it. And what this CD does, you put it in your computer and you can print out papers for any size half square triangle. And I mean any size. I think it goes up in like 1/16 of an inch. So the ones I printed out for demonstration purposes are, these are going to be 2-inch finished half square triangles. So they're going to be 2.5 when they're like this, and they're going to be 2 inches when they're actually sewn into a quilt. So you print them out. It tells you right on here what size piece of fabric you're going to need. In this case, this area needs 5 3/4 by 8 5/8. So I just cut, about 6 by 9. And then what you do is you put this piece of paper. I usually trim it first, and then you got to put it on the 2 pieces of fabric that are going to be your half square triangle, okay? 1 fabric, 2 fabrics. And the best way to put it down, better than pins even, is with this quilt basting spray. This is one of the greatest things in sliced bread. We use it to baste quilts, but this is another thing it can be used for. Unfortunately, I can't mail this to you because of aerosol rules. So if you live in the Chicago area, come get it from our store. If you live somewhere else, ask your local store for the Sullivan's basting spray. So what you do is you put a little shot of this on the back of your paper and then put it down on your 2 pieces of fabric that are right sides together. Now I happen to already have one that I've done part way. So when you put this on, there's little arrows, and what you're going to do is just stitch on the lines, and the little arrows will tell you where to go, and it's one long continuous line, and you come back to where you started. And it's mindless, it's fun and easy. So let me just give you a tip about doing this. You're going to want a foot. This is called an open toe foot because there's a lot of room, because it's open in here, so you can see where you're going, because you want to be able to stitch on the line. And if you can stitch on the line, this is much more accurate than that other method too. So I stitched on this one already. That's what it looks like on the other side. Then it's just a matter of cutting on the solid lines. And I think most of us can cut more accurately than we can sew. So I just go down the center, and I can go, actually, since I'm right-handed, the fastest way to do it is to start over here, slice that one, then I should have sliced the middle, then I slide over and slice this one, then I slice, 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 and then you also slice in between. So all the solid lines you're going to slice on, and then you're going to end up with half square triangles like this with a piece of paper on them. From this little thing, I'm going to get 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, here's a really good trick. This is from Brenda herself because she taught here once. In order to get this paper off, if you put your thumb nail here, let's see if I can do this right, and grab it, oop, didn't work, and pull like that, this comes off in one piece, and then this is going to come right off because it's already been torn. And ta-da! And this is perfect. And you're going to have 12 way faster than you can make 2 that other way. So we now are selling this triangulations on our website. So if you go to quiltfabric.com, we can send you one. It makes all sizes of half square triangles. Now she also has how to make papers for making 1/4 square triangles and for making flying geese on the same thing. So thank you. Bye.